Hello, my name is Oskar Dreyer. I work for Fendt in Germany and I'm here currently at the Fendt Progress Show, where we have here behind me a really special tractor. This is the Fendt Favorite 926 Vario, and the last name in the type designation, so the Vario, is actually what's so special about this machine. This tractor is the first tractor ever in the history of agriculture that was equipped with a Vario transmission, so a CVT with a power split between the mechanical and the hydrostatic power units. The tractor was first introduced in 1995 on the Agritechnica, so now that's actually almost 30 years ago. But this specific tractor is really special because this is the first tractor that was ever sold officially from Fendt in the US in 1998. And we brought it back, restored it to its former glory, and it's here to remind us that 30 years ago Fendt started the revolution in the ag business by introducing the Vario technology. Of course, over the last 30 years we had many other innovations. We were also the first manufacturer to equip a tractor with a terminal, a multifunction joystick, the Vario drive system introduced on the bigger brother, the 1000 Vario. But even here in this machine we had self-leveling front suspension from standard. We had automatic engage for the four-wheel drive and the differential locks. With the Vario transmission we were for the first time able to drive with speed from 65 feet per hour up to 33 miles without shifting any gears. You can drive from 0 to 33 miles in 10 seconds. So also really fast accelerating tractor, and of course it's further improved the fuel efficiency because the engine in this machine can always run at its optimum, and we don't have a loss of power because we're not shifting. We are just smoothly adjusting the speed wherever we need it to be. Of course we have 4 spool valves, the cab suspension, which was also standard back in the day, the rear linkage, a PTO with up to 4 speeds in the rear. But now I would say we go inside the cab, so I should actually show you how this machine was operated. Just take the steering wheel away. Of course, back in the time, no GPS, but here you see, of course, we have no gear lever, and this is the first joystick that was ever put into a tractor, which enabled customers to drive forwards, backwards. We could engage the cruise control or change directions by simply using this joystick. We also had comfortable buttons to activate the front or rear PTO with the go and end, which we still have in outdoor tractors up to date. Everybody who runs a Fendt tractor will know the teach-in system with the go and end buttons. Again, this was introduced almost 30 years ago. Below the armrest with the joystick are the mechanical spool valves, which you can see here. So with up to 4 spool valves. Here are the controls for the rear linkage. You could also get that tractor with the front linkage. This of course is not equipped with it. And here you have your hand throttle to also adjust the engine RPM without using your foot. Then what's special about this tractor is actually is this display. This is unique to the 926, and because you need to think, when this tractor was introduced you couldn't tell your driver anymore drive in 8 gear because there were no gears. So here we had LEDs which basically display the ratio of the transmission, and this could help drivers to get a better understanding of where the transmission was in terms of its output, and then match this of course with the engine speed. So this rather was a help to get drivers understand the technology in this machine even better in the day.